Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're going to give you a nice video of a 1994 MOFFETT M5000 sitting here with 3,732 hours. This thing has a 12-foot mast, 5,000-pound lifting capacity, Lister Petter motor. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's been fully refurbished by us and given a new paint job. What you get today, ladies and gentlemen, is a nice forklift that has an operational guarantee. What that means is when it lands at your property, it's going to run and operate like we've shown you here today, or we're going to help you get it going the way it should. Now, I'm going to go ahead and walk around and show you how nice the paint job is. What we do, ladies and gentlemen, is we go in here, try to find anything wrong that we can with it. If we find it bad, we replace it. If it looks like it's good and it's operational, we leave it go. Therefore, it's refurbished. But the paint job is new, and as you can see, it really shines and glistens. This thing also has a nice seat on it. When we do this paint job, we take the cage off, things like this diamond plating, things that are very easy to remove. We clean it well, prep it, give it a two-stage paint job to make you a long-lasting, good-looking machine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this thing's pretty good shape for the age. Not many out here anymore like this at that model year. We have brand new tires on here, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the beads, the sticks on here still. This thing is really nice. Now, I'm gonna walk around and then Kerry's gonna hop on here and he's gonna show you it starting up and it operating, the mast going back and forth, in and out, tilt, side shift, and the outriggers. So Kerry's gonna fire up this Lister Petter. Now these engines are a little louder. I'm going to talk loud, ladies and gentlemen, so you can hear me. Fires right up, key start, up and down, nice mast, in and out, carrier package. Now we're going to show you tilt, side shift. Ladies and gentlemen, she's working the way she should. There's your outriggers. Lift up your heavy stuff. I'm going to show you that the pump and motors are strong, back and forth. Here, rev up to life. Now this is a good starter unit, ladies and gentlemen. We could get you into this thing at a good price. It's a good starter unit, ladies and gentlemen, because it's a 1994, but it is running and operating, and it looks great. It's been refurbished. We also have dozens and dozens of different models of MOFFETTs. If you don't see it on our website, we probably have it outside. We got 250 sitting out there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to thank you very much for watching this. And I'm going to also tell you that our website is 99lifts.com, and our number is 260-238-4998. Thank you so much for watching this video.